Hi guy, unboxing guy. We buy some grocery. Little bit only guy in Asian store in New Jersey, Atlantic, New Jersey. Cornmeal mix. And this one ginger, honey, crystal, instant beverage drink. Powder calamansi also guy. Try that. And we buy only to Lego 555 sardine. And this one guy, this one. We need to cook this. Young jackfruit. We add coconut milk here and then we add shrimp. That's so yummy. And we buy this coffee co. Because still have 3 box of coffee co over there. And we bought this crayon guy. Because I found it over there. Cheaply. And that's it guy. Thank you for watching and bye bye. Hi guys, good afternoon. Finally, we're here na at the house, guy. Unboxing tayo, guy. We went to the Goodwill in New Jersey, guy, because we do vacation to our sister-in-law for 1 week. And I got a lot of dress over there, guy. I like to shopping in her Goodwill, guy, because lot of selection, lot of dress anyway. So, because I'm flying, so I got limit only to buy. But we get 12, I think 12 or 10 pieces of dress. And that is $3. Because difficult to find to our Salvation Army over here, guy, for the dress. But that area is lot of dress. I got this, guy, very nice. Huh? I like this dress. And you know what? This is brand new. Brand new shoe, guy. I get this. And I get this, guy. And brand new. Unboxing tayo, guy. This one also very nice. And out of 10 pieces, only 2 is not too much good for me, so I give that to my niece. This one, very nice. I like. This one, I like this, but this one is to cry very tight to me. So I give this to my niece. And this one also very tight. I like this, but very tight. And look, that one. Very nice. Our Salvation Army here is difficult to find dress. Have dress but they don't sell the dress. Look like the dress is cost $7. I'm not buying that $7. This one we bought this only $3, guys. Nice. I have lot of dress I like over there, guys, because there's lot of dress selection. But the problem, I cannot buy more because I got over luggage because our luggage only 50 kilos. Mine 50 kilos. 50 kilos. 50 pounds. Mine and 50 pounds to my husband. And the one luggage we bring is smaller. So, really nice. I got more, guy. Yeah. I have dress to our next adventure. Our next adventure is on October, guys. That's my birthday. 1 week. And this one, guy, very nice. But because lot of bling bling, guy. Lot of bling bling. You need to you need to wash by hands. No, it's not a big deal to me. And we get also short, guy. Yeah. Short for $3, guy. Hmm. And we bought this guy, oh. Sack. This one in different location is not in Goodwill. But I think we buy me only this look like $1, $1. I forgot. And my husband have beautiful button down shirt because they need this to our next adventure on October. Her sister is buy this and give to my husband. And this one mine. And this one for my husband. And that one. And that one. Hmm. And this one. Hmm. Hmm. And that's it, guy. We need to go in the kitchen, guy. I have some little food over there. Few foods. And I buy this guy, oh, Mexican cookbook for cooking. And light spicy cookbook, guy. This is 50 cents only because we went to the public library in Atlantic City. Very nice over there, guy. Because lot of books over there different. Public library, museum. And this one only guy 50 cent. Coupon 50 cent. And then we need to go the Hi guys, good morning. Grocery shopping from Walmart. August 17. That is the big beans, pancake syrup, the seaweed, tomato guys in the can. French fry, potato, sausage patties, milk, egg, onion, clementine, tortillas, potatoes, ground wheat, bacon, rice, the plate soup, banana, cheese, tomato, lemon, ground wheat, bread, and butter yakult. And we spend $102 guys.